The nuts are on top.
Okay.
So if
For the cat, they're on the top.
So to get that in, it'll be another 2 hours just to put one little bolt in.
Gotcha.
So that one, it won't really hurt anything.
Okay. So let me ask you something. Based on the fact that it didn't have these bolts here, like you said, right? Do you think maybe that's what caused the problem, or is that separate from the fact?
No, it's probably separate because it has the lineup pins here.
Okay.
You know, and these were tight. You know, these here and this one were tight. So
that was enough.
Technically, there's enough bolts in there. Yes.
But they shouldn't have been that way to begin with, right?
Yeah.
Okay. And which one is the bolt that you actually need then? Is it going to be the same as that, or because I can try to get them for you then, I guess.
That one. So if you want the actual bolts, I'll need at least. I gave you one, right?
Yeah. Okay.
All right. Let me start over here.
Yep. No problem.
All right, there's one. Took 1, 2, 3. The other one on the desk now. I'll keep taking there. Yeah, that one, Todd? It was on the desk. Oh, okay. That's why that one's longer. See the pins here?
Yeah.
So the threads start a little deeper
Okay.
in the tranny, so that one's longer. So that's one.
Okay.
That's two.
Yep.
He has one. I don't know, hanging over there. That one's a little longer.
Okay.
Is that the other pin? Did I take one out of there? Or was there two missing? You know what? I guess. Yeah, that was the other pin. All right, that's the other pin bolt.
Up there.
Yeah, I had to get an extension, go around through the back.
Okay.
Yeah, that one goes that way. Okay.
Okay.
So I got one there, one there.
Yeah.
So actually, I must be missing more than I thought.
Yeah.
'Cause I walked away a couple times and did something else.
Yeah.
All right, so let's just to make sure. All right, so I need one. This is the one I said that's gonna probably be hard. I won't be able to get that in unless I take all that off. So.
Okay. I see what you mean.
All right, so I think there's a thread there. Thread there. Okay. So let's just say 1, 2, 3, 4,
5.
Yep.
5. So we need 5.
Yeah. Yeah.
And
Yeah,
then
that hole was just there. The bolt was in the outer hole.
okay. Just hanging.
Yeah.
Really?
Well, I mean that's the way it's supposed to be.
Okay.
It was bolted in, but I didn't realize that hole was there
Okay.
to use this one.
Okay. So do you have like an example of like one that I can take so I can try to get hold of? This one?
Yep.
So you want 5 of these,
Yes.
including this would be 6, correct?
It'll be 6 total. Yes.
6 total.
Yeah,
Gotcha.
with that one in your hand, that'll make 6.
Okay. I'll try getting this. Well, I don't know if you guys do that. I think that's going to be
What's that?
to get the seal now that we have the box.
I can do the seal.
Yeah. I'll see if I can get hold of it because it's a pain in the ass to get stuff for this car. So
Yeah.
I'll see if I can get that. And if I can, I'll bring it. If not, then it's okay. I mean, I understand.
The closest thing we came just looking it up because when you read on like that wiki on a computer,
Yeah.
it's because some Ford owned Jag for a while.
Correct.
So
So
it's probably closer to one of them.
Jaguar X type.
Yeah.
Yeah. And even then, it's not the same because I think I don't know if the Jag had the 6-speed or not. This one has the 6-speed, which is a Getrag,
Yeah.
and so it's it's a little different, I guess.
Yeah.
And as far as this, Todd said this is leaking the CSC.
Yeah. It's dry now, but you can see a little bit's laying in there. Yeah.
All right, so might as well just change that out too.
Yep, that needs to be changed.
Yeah, because that was brand new.
Yeah.
That was brand new. I called here, I think a couple months ago, back in January. I called over the phone and they were like, yeah, just get an original one. And that is original. It's a Luke one, so. But I think maybe that caused it then.
With all that.
Yeah.
You might have pushed it a little too far,
Maybe.
and then it just
Busted.
override the seal and ripped it.
Now, can I ask you another question? Oh, you
Clips. All right, that's all right. That's all right. Yeah, I was just trying to remember if there was anything else.
Yeah, no problem.
And the suspension is all right. That's the ground. So
Anything out other abnormal thing you see out there, huh?
no, I think I don't know if you're really putting any antifreeze in it, but I see.
Oh yeah. I was checking on that. It's leaking there from a bit.
Yeah, so it might. There's like.
It's the water pump.
Yeah,
Really?
I think so because it looks like it's around the bolts. I'll have to look a
Yeah.
little.
I thought it was the hose. I thought it was that hose up there. You see it?
Oh yeah,
I thought it.
Yeah, it could be that too.
So I thought that. If anything, I do have 2 of those hoses, but used.
If
And
you look up here
yeah,
from this angle,
Yeah.
you can see a lot of that red stuff above that hose.
yeah, I see it up there actually on that one, on
Yeah,
the
so it
second
might be
hose.
one of them things
Look,
once
you can
get
see it
in
up there. You see it?
Yeah, once you get in there, just kind of
One of those hoses.
start cleaning everything up.
Yeah, because I did get a new pump for that. I do have a new one, but I think it's not the pump, and I think it's the hoses. So just so
Yeah, here
just so you know.
Here it's red.
Okay. Yeah, but I've been keeping up on the antifreeze.
Yeah.
I was keeping up on it. All right.
Yeah, I think I even looked too. It's full yet or full enough.
Okay. All right. Well, then I'm gonna try to get all this stuff new. I think the hardest part to get a hold of is probably gonna be this one.
Yeah, those are going to be hardest.
Yeah.
There's no. Is there a spring in there? But that takes up some of the shock when you let the clutch out.
Yeah.
So if when you pull out at slow speeds, it might chug like.
Yeah.
You understand what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Let the clutch out too fast.
Yeah.
The big springs wore out in there.
Yeah. And I think the only thing I'm gonna take another picture here, but they were telling me the spline count
Yeah.
to be exact, and I think the diameter on this is gonna be has to be 240 mil.
Yeah, I mean, if you want to we can put that in a box if you want to take that along.
Yeah, if anything, I think that would be a good idea.
That way you at least have the splines and the clutch.
Yeah, and this one's effed up too, huh? The pressure plate.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, because it's all hot spotted and everything. That'll make it chatter or shake and carry on.
Okay. So basically everything.
Yeah, those fingers don't.
They don't look good anymore.
Well, I think these are a little bit lower.
Yeah. So they're not even set to.
Yeah, they're not even anymore because the spring tension gets off
Messed
a
up.
little bit. Yeah.
So it's better just get a new one.
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah, 'cause it's not like an old Chevy where you can just pull it out in 5 minutes and throw another one in.
Yeah. Unfortunately. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and order this stuff. I think I have to get it from somewhere else, so it's probably gonna take a couple days. I have to order it from the UK, I think, or
Alright.
something like that. So I'll take this just to make sure,
All right.
so there's no mistake.
Let's keep down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
And I'll
One
leave
thing I
the.
have to check on though is
What's that?
sometimes these, they call them stretch bolts.
Yeah.
You use them once and then you throw them away.
So we have to make sure that.
Yeah, make sure it doesn't say anything about stretch bolts, or if you can actually look up torque for them, it'll say like torque them to like 20, 30, and then 90 degrees. If it has that 90 degrees, they're stretch bolts and they should be
Replaced.
Yeah. So if it's just like 10, 20, and 30, then they should be all right.
Okay. You mean these go onto the
That's what
pressure
holds-
plate with the clutch,
That's
with
what
the
holds
flywheel, right?
That holds the flywheel in there.
I have a feeling we'll probably get these new then if we're getting the whole thing.
Okay.
Hopefully.
Yeah.
Yeah. If not, then I'll try to look
Yeah,
for that.
these, sometimes they have bolts with the flywheel.
Yeah.
Teeth are getting a little rounded too, a little bit. Yeah, see, it's
Yeah.
starter teeth have chipped a little. So right now is a good time to do it because you don't want to put it all back together and you go to start it one day and it chips it off and then you're done again.
Yeah. With the flywheel. Okay.
Well, I'll put these in there.
Yeah.
Todd, you got a box this big?
Okay. Sounds good.